Njuguma njega yumaga ikuriro na muti urungagwo uri munini thimo ici igiri nicio iratereba komishoni ya mĩtugo na kuhurana na ungumania EACC iria igomithanitie arutani a cukuru cia mũthingi na cia cekondarĩ kuma kaunti cia Nairobi na Kiambu kumathomithia uria komishoni iyo inginyitanira nao guthomithia arutwo mĩtugo miega.
As we are aware, issues of integrity, it's a continuous process. We keep on preaching and preaching and preaching. And it's time we as Kenyans started looking at the negativities and the problems which this lack of integrity has brought us and how it's affecting us. And we own it, all of us. EACC cannot do it alone.
Ni undu wa wongerereku wa uhaguku wa mĩtugo bũrũri-inĩ, undu uria ucungĩrĩirie ona ciĩko cia ungumania kwĩhĩrĩria, komishoni iyo yũrĩtie aciari na atongoria kunyitanĩra nayo niguo guthondeka rũciũ rwa bũrũri rũrĩ na andũ marĩ na mĩtugo mĩrũngĩrĩru.
Because even as a leader of any organization, if I'm not doing the right thing, the staff see, everybody sees. So it's a journey, it's a war, and we are encouraging all of us to evaluate ourselves. We have a country for the future. We need to really instill these good values to our children as they are leaders of tomorrow.
Nimejifunza hapa kwamba tunahitaji mambo matatu tu. Tunahitaji kuwa na maadili, tunahitaji elimu, na tunahitaji kuwa na nguvu ya kufanya kazi. Na bila maadili, hata ukawa na nguvu namna gani, hata ukawa na elimu namna gani, utakuwa mharibifu katika nchi yetu.
Cukuru ta cia cekondarĩ ya airĩtu ya Embakasi Nairobi na cukuru wa mũthingi wa Wangũ o gũkũ Nairobi nĩ imwe cia iria igunĩkĩte na tabarĩra ĩyo. Arutani a cukuru ici makiuga nĩ monete ũgarũrũku mũnene kuma manjĩrĩria gũthomithia ciana ũhoro wa mĩtugo mĩega kũhetũkĩra irabu cia arutwo cukuru-inĩ.
We have a value that we teach in every week. And at the end of the week, we have to evaluate how much that value has been to the children.
Na hatuangalii maadili ati sijui nani akaiba hela ngapi huko. Hapa tu shuleni umeacha maji yanakwenda. Hiyo ni swala la maadili hilo. Hujatumia choo vizuri, swala la maadili hilo. Na nitakustabisha kwamba kuna baadhi ya wanafunzi baada ya kusahisha hata mtihani utasikia wanakuja kuambia mwalimu, hapa sikufaa kupata hii alama. Wengine wamekuja wakasema hizi alama zangu ni nyingi, zipunguzwe. Mimi nikisikia hivyo ninafurahi kwa sababu wanafunzi wangetaka alama nyingi iwezekanavyo hata kama hawajafanya mtihani. Lakini unawapata wanakuja wanajieleza vizuri, na mimi napenda hivyo sana.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.